In this video, I've taken some baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, and I've put it here on my tissue paper, folding the tissue paper up, like so, and stick it inside one corner of my baggie. Take my vinegar, there's the vinegar, pour it inside my graduated cylinder. I'm going to use our red cabbage indicator, pour some in there, and notice it went from purple to this red color inside the vinegar. Okay, and then I'm going to pour this in here. Try and push out all the air and seal it up. If there's a gas made, it won't escape. Now I'm getting it to mix, and you can see that there's bubbles happening inside of there. Okay, we're seeing like a change in color as well. Okay, definitely there's a nice bluish color happening. Okay, it's still reacting, it's making bubbles. Okay, it's kind of gone back to its dark purple color right here. I feel it, and it feels much colder. It's still reacting. I'm getting it to mix as good as I possibly can. Okay. Definitely change color. There. And I'll do a quick temperature measurement. And it was above 20, and now it is dropping below 20 degrees. It's at 18 and heading towards 17. So it was just at about 21, and now it's below.